Hey guys, welcome back to the series of HTML. In the previous video, we have created the heading tag and the paragraph tag. And in this video, we will learn about some text formattings in HTML. So let's get started. Alright, what are text formattings? The text that is displayed in a specific style like bold, italic, font size, color, etc. are the text formattings. We will discuss them one by one. So I have a notepad saved with the extension .html, and in this I'll start the HTML with the basic structure. So less than exclamation doc type HTML and less than slash HTML. I need the head, so less than head greater than and less than slash head, and I need the body tag, that is less than body greater than and less than slash body greater than. So I have the basic structure. And one more thing, I need the title tag in the head, so less than title greater than and less than slash title greater than. And in this I'll say text formatting, so this is my title. And now I'll have a simple paragraph tag, less than p greater than. I'll say this is text formatting and less than slash p greater than. And now the first thing comes to mind while using the text formatting similar to Word document is the alignment, that is the left aligned or the right aligned or the center aligned. So to specify the alignment, we need to mention the property inside the opening tag, and the property which you give inside the opening tag is called attribute. So first let me copy this and paste it for another 2 times. And now in the p tag I'll say align is equal to center, and for the second one I'll say align is equal to right, and for the third one align is equal to left. So for the third one there will not be any change because by default the alignment will be from the left. So save this file and see the output. And this gave the same paragraph at different positions, that is one in the center and one in right and the third one on the left. So coming back to the code, we have a tag called center. For the first one we have given the alignment in the attribute of the tag, so you can remove that and surround the tag with the center tag like this, less than center greater than, and after the paragraph less than slash center. So save this file and see the output. So the output is same. The first paragraph is aligned to center. And now in the Word we have the option called bold. That means it changes the original text darker. So for that I'll copy and paste the paragraph tag. And now to have the property of bold we need a b tag. So that will be less than b greater than and the paragraph, and then the closing tag will be less than slash b greater than. This means it changes the whole paragraph to bold. So save this file and see the output. So this gave me the paragraph to bold. For suppose I have 2 sentences in the paragraph and I want the second statement to be bold. So what do we do now? So I'll create a new paragraph with 2 sentences, that is less than p greater than, this is text formatting, full stop, and this is HTML. This is another sentence. So I'll close this paragraph tag, less than slash p greater than. So this statement should be bold. So I'll surround this statement with the b tag. That means I'll start the b tag after the first statement and close the b tag after the statement before the p tag. So I'll say less than b greater than and less than slash b greater than. So save this file and see the output. So the first statement is not bold, but the second statement is bold. And the next one is italic text. So for the text to be italic we have the tag called I. So this is the first letter of the word italic. Similarly for the bold as well. So bold has the first letter B, so the tag name is given as B. So I'll copy the above paragraph and paste it down here, and now I'll surround this paragraph tag with the I tag. So that will be less than I greater than and the paragraph tag, and I'll close this with less than slash I greater than. So save this file and see the output. So this gave me the same statement in the italic text. So I need the text to be underlined and the tag name will be U. So I'll say less than U greater than, and I'll say hypertext markup language, and I'll close this tag with less than slash U greater than. And if you see the output, I got the text underlined. And now, if you have any mathematical equations that you want to print the a plus b whole square formula, that is a plus b whole square, the square will be a little above to the main text, right? So that is called the superscript, and the tag name will be less than sup greater than. So I'll create a paragraph tag that is less than p greater than, and here I'll say a plus b, and now we need the square. So I'll say less than sup and the number 2, and close the sup tag less than slash sup. That is equal to a less than sup greater than 2 less than slash sup greater than plus b less than sup greater than 2 less than slash sup plus 2ab. I think you might be confused. If you see the output, it will be very clear. So save this file and see the output. And this gave me the a plus b whole square formula. So the 2 here is enclosed between the sup tag. And now, if you have any chemical equations like preparation of H2O, where the 2 should be a little bit below to the main text, so that is called subscript, and the tag name will be less than sub greater than. So I'll say less than p greater than 2h less than sub greater than 2 less than slash sub greater than plus o less than sub greater than 2 less than slash sub, and it gives rise to symbol with an arrow mark like this, gives 2h less than sub greater than 2 less than slash sub o, and I'll close the paragraph tag. So save this file and see the output. So this gave me the complete balanced chemical equation of water, and the 2 here is surrounded within the sub tag. And now if you want to change the font size, so I'll create a new paragraph less than p greater than. So I'll say this is a paragraph, and now the font size is an attribute of this paragraph, right? And also it defines the style of the paragraph. So inside the opening tag of paragraph, I'll say style is equal to, in the inverted commas, I'll say font size, there should be a hyphen in between, colon 50 pixels and a semicolon. The font size is given in pixels, and any value you give in HTML is counted as pixels. And you may think why there is a semicolon at the end, and we will discuss about this a little later. But the thing you should remember is, while using any type of styles, you need to mention them in the attribute style, and at last you need to mention a semicolon. So save this file and see the output. As you can see, this statement is a bigger font than the other. And now if you want to mention another style, it may be the color. So after the semicolon, I'll say color colon red, and the semicolon at the last. And if you see the output, the statement is now in red color. So this type of giving the styles is called CSS, which is cascaded style sheet. So I'll make another video for these styles. And that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.